In this scenario, I have this really rich and detailed document regarding driving a productive employee adoption of Microsoft Copilot. Now, it's a lot of information in here, and I don't want to read the whole thing. So I would much rather listen to it. I have Microsoft Copilot licensing, and I'm in Microsoft Word. So I'll click on the Copilot button here on the top right. You'll see generate an audio overview from this document prompt. If you don't see it, you can type this exact thing in right here where it says message Copilot. Either way, once you execute this, it's going to start making the audio overview. Takes a couple of minutes, so I'll pause. It's done processing. I can go ahead and play it here, or I can even take it and save it into OneDrive and take it with me and listen to it on my phone. Let's preview it.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into something that's changing the landscape of how enterprises work, Microsoft Copilot.
I'll forward this here a little bit.
Research, and best practices for enterprise success.
Exactly. It doesn't
So it's two AI podcast hosts that are giving you a complete overview of this document. And you can do this for any Microsoft Word document. All you need is a Microsoft Copilot license.